Hello friends, welcome to English Smart Academy. Hope you are all doing well. Today I'm going to discuss various types of verb, what are different regular verbs, irregular verbs, finite and non-finite verbs. I've also put practice exercise for your practice. So let's start. What are verbs? Verb is a word that shows action, state, or being. It is the heart of every sentence. Verbs help us to tell what someone does or feels or what something is. All sentences must have a verb to complete their meaning. For example, she runs daily. Here, runs is a verb which is showing her action that she is running. Other example is they are happy. Are is a linking verb which is showing their state of happiness. Importance of verbs. Why verbs are important? Because they express time. It can be past, present, future, which helps us to understand when actions happen. They allow us to describe actions clearly and make communication meaningful. Without verbs, sentences cannot express complete thoughts. So without verbs, a sentence like the boy and there is no verb. So you can see the condition of the sentence without verb. There is the boy, subject, and the object, book, and there is no verb. So we are unable to find out the meaning of the sentence. So the boy reads. Here, the missing word is verb, and we have written the verb reads. The boy reads the book. Here, this sentence is conveying complete meaning. Verbs help us to know time. For example, she worked, she works, she will work. So here you can see the importance of verbs. They tell us time. They without verb our sentence is incomplete, unclear. So for clear communication, for expressing complete thoughts, verb is highly important. There are various types of verbs. Number one is action verbs. Action verbs show what the subject is doing. These actions can be physical or mental. What is physical actions? Physical action, you can say some act or action that can be performed or visible. Run, jump, write, eat, drive, dance. Mental action, an action or an act which we cannot see, which is in our mind, which is invisible. For example, think, know, understand, plan, imagine. She is running quickly, so this is example of a physical action, and they think about their exam. This is the example of mental action. Linking verb, as the name is suggesting that they do not show action, they make a link between subject and rest of the sentence. They show condition, appearance, or state of being. So you are to keep in mind these three words related to linking verbs. Common linking verbs are am, is, are, was, were. So usually people think that is, am, are, or was, were are the linking verbs, but there are other certain words which show the condition, appearance, or state of being, such as become, seem, appear. The cake smells good. Smells is a linking verb because smells is showing the condition or the state of the cake. She is tired. Is a linking verb because is showing that she is tired. Helping verbs or auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs, they support main verb and show tense, voice, mood, or possibility. They help to form continuous perfect and future tenses such as has, have, had, will, shall, can, could, may, might, must. For example, she has completed her task. Has is a helping verb. They will arrive soon. Will is a helping verb. So helping verbs are used with main verb. Modal verbs, they show ability, permission, necessity, and possibility. They are always used with the base form of the verb. Means with modal verbs, the first form of verb is used, such as can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. These are common modal verbs and examples. You must finish homework. Must is modal verb and the first form of verb finish is used with must. She can swim. Swim, you can see the first form of the verb, the base form, and can is a modal verb. Finite and non-finite verbs. Finite verbs show tense and subject. They make complete sentences. On the other side, non-finite verbs, they do not show tense and subject. They can be infinitive, gerunds, and participles. They are simply in the form of 2 plus verb. Gerund means verb plus ing. Participles, they can be present or past participle. Finite example, she plays daily. So plays is showing the present condition. She played yesterday. Played is showing the past condition, past tense. And non-finite example, to read is useful. So here infinitive is used. Reading is fun. So gerund is being used here. The broken glass is sharp. Broken, past participle is being used here. So regular verbs, the regular verbs, they have ed in the second form and ed in the third form, means their second or third form is same. Play, played, played, walk, walked, walk, open, opened, open, look, looked, looked, wash, washed, washed, call, called, called, work, worked, worked, laugh, laughed, laughed, help, helped, helped, talk, talked, talked, jump, jumped, jumped, clean, cleaned, cleaned, push, pushed, pushed, pull, pulled, pulled, paint, painted, painted, brush, brushed, brushed, count, counted, counted, start, started, started, cook, cooked, cooked, move, moved, moved. Irregular verbs. So here you can see the second form is different from the third form of verb. So second form and third form, these forms are not same. Let's read. Go, went, gone, see, saw, seen, eat, ate, eaten, break, broke, broken, write, wrote, written, speak, spoke, spoken, take, took, taken, give, gave, given, drive, drove, driven, begin, began, begun, choose, chose, chosen, draw, drew, drawn, drink, drank, drunk, fall, fell, fallen, forget, forgot, forgotten, freeze, froze, frozen, know, knew, known, sing, sang, sung, swim, swam, swum, ring, rang, rung. So finite verbs which show the subject, the tense, plays, runs, eats, writes, sings, drives, speaks, reads, opens, jumps, cooks, laughs, starts, walks, works. Non-finite verb, to run, to eat, to write, to sing, playing, running, eating, writing, singing, played. Run, past participle, eaten, written, sung. Summary of verbs. So what we have learned, verbs show action, state, mood, time and ability. So there are different types of verbs which include action, linking, helping, modal, regular, irregular, finite and non-finite verbs. Verbs form the base of English grammar and sentence structure. So verbs are highly important for meaningful communication. Practice exercise. You are to use correct form of verb. Number 1, the dogs. Dogs are plural. So we are to use bark. The dogs bark all night. Did you do or done anything? Did you do? They went or go to a picnic together. They went. Have you see or seen the baby? Have you seen? We are best friends. I am going to the party. Ali has to complete the task. So this was all about from my side. Hope you have cleared your concept related to verb, its different and various types. If you want to learn more grammatical lesson or any other English lesson, let me know in the comment box. Subscribe this academy, share it, like it, and take care yourselves. See you in the next video.